Hello everyone, I am Akila Katari. I would like to explain the app which I have designed in Django. Comes to the app purpose and the design. The app the app is used for college wise, and this is for giving the feedback for the events present in that college. There will be teachers and students in this app. The users are the teachers and students, whereas teacher can create the event and the student can give the feedback to the event once the event is finished. That is, the student can only give the feedback in his department, and I not provide any registration kind of thing to the student by default will be is registered under the event which is in his department, and this is the main constraint. In general, actually the teacher and student sign up, that is newly signing in, will not be provided, but I have provided that because in colleges that will be done by the administration, but as of now I have given to the teacher and student the registration part. Now let us click on the teacher and we'll see the flow of the teacher goes on. And it's okay. In teacher login you can find the login or sign up. We can go to sign up or login, and first we'll go to login part, and here need to enter the credentials. And in this you can see many options provided to the teacher, whereas one is view all the events, view my events, create event and logout. Where comes to the view all the events, he can view all the events that are present in the college created by all the teachers, whereas view my events are the events which is created by this particular teacher, and create event is he can newly create the event, whereas logout is will come out of his login part. We can, if we go to view all events part, here you can see the 2 events and also the event ratings and number of students registered. This is actually not considered, only by default all the students are registered. And the thing is, this is the 2 which are created. And now comes to the part view my events. Here we need to, it will display the events created by this particular teacher, and these are the 2 events that are created. Now if we go to the create event part, he can create a new event by entering all the details, and this is the department, only any one of the department can be checked. And then now we'll click on the event create part, then it will create the event. This is the flow in the teacher, whereas similar to the flow in the teacher there will be a almost same flow in student as well, whereas in student the main thing is I did not provide any session, that is any login part. Without logging in they can even go to the flow. Now comes to the login part of student. And these are the enter. If you enter any wrong credentials, then it will give the display that we have entered into the wrong credentials part. Okay, sorry. I think there is no, 1 second, we'll go and create, sign in into the new account. We'll create a new account so that let us suppose let the student name be CR and the password is something, and let the department be CSC, Actually these all must be provided by the administration, but for as of now for our app I have given like this. If we click on the register student, then it will provide the okay. Then fine, I have entered the, in previous part I have entered here the name, but it's not the name, it's the rule number part, and the password, so it gave the wrong credentials. And in the student options we'll provide view all the events, view my department events, feedback, and logout. In view all the events, you can view all the events that are present in the college, similar to that of teacher, whereas view my department events, here you can view only the events present in your department, that is the events which are by default registered by you, and these are the events. Now comes to the feedback part. If you click on the feedback, it will show you the all the events that are completed and under your department, and you can click on the particular feedback for which you would like to give the feedback, then enter the rating, and if we enter above 10, then it will give the error. Let us suppose 6, feedback successfully registered. Then we'll be navigating back to the first page, whereas you can find here if you view all the department events, previously it's the 0 rating and now it's 6. And this is the flow of the app which I have created using Django. Thanks.